All right, kiddos, story time. Once upon a sidewalk in a world not too far from yours, there lived a very polite little duckling. This duckling always said please and thank you. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your feathered friends. 2. Subscribe to be notified when we release our next delightful bedtime story. We've got plenty more adventures waiting for you, including a special treat, an original song. Just click the link below to access these magical melodies. Now close your eyes, rest your wings, and let your dreams take flight with our channel. Sweet dreams, everyone. Until next time, may your days be filled with kindness and your nights with peaceful slumber. He was sweet, he was kind, and he was also really hungry. He looked up at the sky, placed his wings behind his back, and said politely, "May I please have a cookie?" Poof! A cookie appeared right in front of him. A big one with nuts. Duckling smiled. "Thank you." He admired it for a moment, but just then, whoosh, in flew the pigeon, feathers flapping like a whirlwind of confusion and cocoa crumbs. "What? You got a cookie? A whole cookie?" Duckling nodded. "Aha! With nuts. You like nuts?" Duckling shrugged. "I do." Pigeon's eyes bulged. He paced back and forth in dramatic circles. "I ask for things all the time. Do I get a cookie or no? I ask for a hot dog. No. I ask for a driving license. Definitely no. I even asked for a walrus once." Duckling blinked. "A walrus? I have needs," Pigeon cried. Then he launched into the sky. Visual scene. Montage. Pigeon's tantrum tour. He popped up in different places. In the library. No cookie. On a bus. Still no cookie. Under a rain cloud. Soggy feathers. Still no cookie. He flopped back down in front of Duckling with a huge sigh. Duckling quietly held up the cookie. "I got this cookie just by asking politely," he said kindly. Pigeon blinked. "Wait, what?" Duckling smiled. "I said please. And I said thank you." Pigeon stared at the cookie. "I love cookies." Duckling nodded. "I know." Then Duckling did something that made Pigeon's beak drop. He held out the cookie. "For me?" Pigeon gasped. "Sure. I got it for you." Emotional shift scene. The power of kindness. Pigeon was frozen. The sidewalk grew quiet. The sun glowed a little warmer. A gentle breeze blew. "You got it. For me?" Duckling nodded. Pigeon's wings trembled. "Wow. That's the nicest thing anyone's ever done for me." "It's nice to be nice," Duckling replied. Pigeon took the cookie slowly, then looked back at Duckling. "But don't you want it?" "I prefer cookies without nuts," Duckling replied. "Well, then, next time I'll ask you what kind you like. And maybe I'll share one with you." Duckling grinned. "I'd like that." So the two sat on the sidewalk, sharing a sunset and a snack. One cookie, two friends, zero drama. Well, almost zero, because as soon as the cookie was gone, Pigeon raised his feathers again. "Wait, do they make cookies without nuts? Can I get one of those? What about chocolate chip with sprinkles? Can I ask for one of those?" Duckling just giggled and said, "Try saying please." Pigeon nodded, straightened his feathers, and said it loud and proud. "May I please have a cookie with sprinkles?" And somewhere in the sky, a sprinkle-covered cookie floated down like magic. Duckling smiled. "See? Works every time." Closing scene. Gentle music. Bedtime tone as the sky turned purple and stars twinkled above. Pigeon and Duckling sat quietly. They had full bellies, warm hearts, and lots to laugh about tomorrow. And so, with a polite thank you and a soft good night, the two new best friends fell asleep under the cookie moon. "Hey, Guys, thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to show your appreciation for our hard work.